Hey there, hi there, ho there, welcome to my channel. My name is Violet and I love reviewing skincare and makeup products. Today I wanted to do some Valentine's Day appropriate looks. Maybe you're going out on a date, maybe you're hanging out with some friends. I don't know, you tell me, what are you guys doing for Valentine's Day this year? I'm probably staying home and washing dishes. And I'm kind of looking forward to it too. So today I'm going to be using the It's My Pleasure palette from Colourpop because when I think Valentine's Day, I think hearts, I think pinks and purples and reds, and this certainly fits the bill. So I'm going to try out 3 looks today and hopefully they come out okay. So join me as I start to apply these things on my eyelids. Alright, so for my first look, I'm going to dip into Kitten Fish with my Artiste brush. I love this pink. It is super pretty and gentle and soft. And with this brush, it packs on really, really nicely. I am covering my whole lids with this as a starting color. And then into my crease I go. Now, let me show you. I'm using the Fan Fiction, a darker matte, to kind of deepen the colors that I'm using. I want this first look to be very, very pink and poppy and girly because Valentine's Day, you know what? You don't have to go anywhere. You can just stay at home and it's fun to look girly. I don't know. So into the corner I'm going with Sleeper, and this is another matte, and I'm going to start blending it towards the center of my eye, but not too far because I want to give some texture. And then on my inner corners I'm adding some as well. I'm going for kind of a halo look. And then in the center again with Fan Fiction, I'm just going to blend that in and try and create a little bit of depth. I'm not sure how this is going. I'm not a professional, I'm not an expert. I am just playing with these colors to see what happens. And I'm using the smudge brush, and this is a Marc Jacobs brush, I believe. So in we go, and I'm using my blush brush to blend everything in because I love how it kind of diffuses it. And the next color I'm going to use is Bare Minimum, staying on the theme of Pinky Pink Pink. Putting that in the center to add a lot of sparkle. I think this is a little darker than I was expecting, but I still think it looks pretty great. I am definitely getting lots of pink, and I think that is completely on par with what I was thinking. And then Earthshine to add some sparkle to the center. Again, blending it out and diffusing, making it extra super special pretty, cleaning up with my blender. And what are we doing now? Ooh, we're gonna get some Sleeper and we're gonna put it on the under eyelash line, all right? To try and tie everything together and make it a more complete look. I don't love, putting shadows on my lower lash line, but I felt like for this first look I would do it just to see how it goes. And it really does make my eyes pop. Now, I do have really big eyes and I'm not sure that is necessary, but here we go. The eyeliner mascara is on, and that's the completed look number 1. I think it's pretty good. A little pedestrian, but gotta go pink, right? So let's move on to look number 2. Again, starting with Kitten Fish, so we're starting in a similar vein here. This time I'm going to try and go more purpley with this look. But this Kitten Fish has lots of purpley pinks in it, so it's a great base for either situation. And it's going on easily again, no problem, no problem. And I've got Sleeper for my crease color this time instead of Fan Fiction because immediately I'm going to try and go deeper and get more of the purpley look going on. So that's doing all right. It's blending in nicely. Again, I got this Marc Jacobs brush at Winners. It's pretty great. I'm using my blush brush to diffuse. All right, and that's Do or Dough, super purpley. I'm just putting it all over the lid to see what it looks like on top of my Kitten Fish and Sleeper. And I think it looks pretty good. You're definitely getting those purple tones in, strong and clear. It's not bad. Doing the other eye. Now, I think this is definitely coming across a lot more purple than the first look, which is exactly what I'm going for. Again, my name is Violet, so I'm a little biased towards purple. And I'm adding some chiclet into the corners, alright? So again, the inner and outer corner to just create some nice texture. And Kathleen Lights is always doing like a hollow eye look and a halo eye look, sorry, and I think that's just so cool. Alright, so back with the Earthshine. I guess I just love how this sparkles, and I think it lifts everything and pulls it together. Okay, I need to add my lashes and, well, my mascara anyways. I'm not putting on lashes. And I've got some purple eyeliner to switch it up and try and create this look as purple as possible. And we're on to look 3, and I'm playing with my new Lime Crime brush. It's got sparkles, got it at Winners. Actually, no, Marshalls. Anyways, so we are using Pretty Cruel as the base color this time. Mix it up a little bit. This time I'm trying to go a little more red, actually. And I've got the Sleeper again. I'm using that as a crease color. So you can already tell this look is a lot more red than the previous 2. So pink, purple, red. This palette does it all. Yeah, that looks pretty good. We're going to go in now with Purple? Oh, Violet, what are you doing? Chiclet on the corners. Okay, let's see how this goes. Looks alright. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think I'm sabotaging my red look by adding some purple? What are we gonna do next? We're gonna blend with a blush brush. Of course. Alright. What's this? What am I putting on there? That looks like some Pretty Cruel, actually. Adding a bit more of that red tone on to try and stay on theme. And then I've got Mr. Sandman, this cool coppery kind of color. And it's such a great topper for the lid. I'm just dabbing it on gently with my finger to get the full effect. Alright. And on the inner corners of my eye, I am adding some Earthshine because I just love that color. And I think that it adds another layer of fun to the whole look. Okay? So I do think that this is definitely a very different look than the first two. I'm not sure if it's quite as red as I intended, but I'm not unhappy with it. I would definitely be happy to wear this out on a dinner date for Valentine's Day. No problem whatsoever. I think it worked pretty good. What do you guys think? Okay. Here we go. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you like the looks I created with my It's My Pleasure palette from Colourpop. This video wasn't sponsored, okay? I just like playing with makeup, and this one wasn't too expensive, only $12 USD. So I think it's worth your time and your money. Definitely check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love to see you back here, and let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you have a great day, and I can't wait to connect with you. Take care, and ciao.